Hi, we're Team Forest. One of our members, Matthew Park, had to be up early, so he went to sleep, but we're going to go ahead and share one of his stories.
Yep.
Were you going to go first?
Oh, you can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I interviewed two students, two international students, and one in particular, Steve Solomon. He's from Australia. He told me how from grades 7 through 10, it's actually like mandated, it's part of their curriculum that every grade goes on a 2-week camping trip. He mentioned how it was the worst thing ever. No one was excited for the trips. It was always like a dreaded thing that was happening. But he mentioned that just the people that he went with, and like now they have memories that they can look back on and laugh, and some of like his fondest memories. But he does remember remember being young and like not wanting to go on those trips at all.
Yeah, and so for me, out of the people that I interviewed two people that live with me in my house. They're both like very avid campers. And so what was interesting about that is that they sort of provided this insight that I didn't really think about, but they go to very like high altitudes when they camp. They go to mountains a lot. And so they told me about a lot of problems involved with like high altitude camping. Like, for example, it's really windy, so it's hard to pitch up tents, and the boiling temperature is different at different altitudes. So like there's sort of issues there. So I just thought that was a very like interesting insight into camping, which might not have been able to think of by myself.
And then Matt shared an interview with us with someone named Lindsay. He asked Lindsay if she was selective about the type of people or the people that she goes on these trips with. And she shared a story of one time she went kayaking with a friend of hers and their siblings. And she mentioned how she didn't realize it at the time. Like she just knew this friend of hers and decided to go. But she says that you end up getting closer to the people on the trip, and that initially she thought that she would only go based on who she knew was going and if she liked them, but she learns to trust other people's judgment with the whole group, and she really enjoyed getting to know new people. So I guess our main takeaway from this is that one big thing for people with camping is that they like the group aspect, the community aspect, and they really like being able to bond with other people on the trips.
Yeah, for sure. Uh, that's it.